and thank you for contacting Wave. Just looking at your design, this is a bifocal lens, and there's a concern about getting enough add when reading. Just a quick review. If you look at this lens, the pupil is at about right about this green mark at about 3.43, and you've set the anterior optical zone where the red is here. And so if you recall, in the center part of this lens, the distance power. So if you look at the true power in the very center of the lens, or the effective power, you're at about, in this case, about minus 2.17 diopters. If you move out to the edge of that anterior optical zone, you get closer to 1.43. Now, if you're expecting a 2.5 add for this patient, if you recall, the add doesn't start right in this area just outside the anterior optical zone. It's going to progress to that full power, so you're not really going to get an effective full add until you get further out near the edge of the lens, and that's where quite often in these multifocal designs, patients will still demand a little extra or plus it near. So the best way to increase the add in this lens is to either increase the add over here under refraction, increase another half or more. Just add it in right here. Maybe make that another 3 or 3.25. That will increase how quickly you get into the add power. And then if you can, sometimes we'll just take this pupil zone and just shrink it up just a fraction if we can get away with that. That allows a little bit easier time for that person to for that lens to translate into the full power. Just a general thought, if you remember, we spent a lot of time with Wave designs trying to get them fit nicely and center nicely and not move too much, which is great for centration of the lens, but sometimes it makes it a little harder for these lenses to translate into the reading portion. So you just have to keep in mind that sometimes you have to go a little bit stronger on that overall add to get a little more power more quickly when the person's trying to read. So hopefully find that helpful. Have a great day, and thank you for contacting Wave.